Today we are going to learn keyword argument. Now let's get started. Keyword argument is a special symbol in Python. Here I have created a function called print message which takes a single argument name. Say if I want to add another argument age, then I need to update the function call and function definition. To make this function that it should accept any number of the argument, can use keyword argument. We represent keyword argument with double star like this. Let me change this code. And to access the keyword arguments values, you can use square bracket like how you use for dictionary. Let me show you an example to you. Here I want to pass name and age, so I pass name and age. Now to access name and age, you need to use square bracket as I said. Then you need to specify it like this. Ram is 20 years old, so I need to specify like this. Ram is done. Now I need to access age. So to access age, I need to specify inside curly brace. Now let's close this curly brace and let's type remaining words. That done. Now let's try to run our code. Here you can see it printed Ram is 20 years old. Thanks for watching.